I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich.
So what's up guys, in this video we will talk about top 5 apps that you must have in 2019. So here are the apps. So the first app in our list is Fing. In this app you can check who's on your Wi-Fi, and you can also check the Wi-Fi vulnerability. You can do a speed test in this app, and you can also check the ping of your Wi-Fi, and lots of features are added in this app related to Wi-Fi and network stuff. You just need to mess around and check lots of features in it. Link is in the description, just go for it. Amazing and interesting app. So the second app in our list is 1.1.1.1. so you already know about this app, but if you don't worry, I'll tell you. So basically it is an VPN app which gives you faster and safer internet to browse. This is not a joke, it is faster. I have used it and I am using it for a long time. It does work, it does give me faster internet connection with VPN, and it's also free on Play Store. No cost, no ads, it's free. Just go for it. Link is in the description. So the third app in our list is the wallpaper app. Wallpixel is the name of the wallpaper app. It is an amazing wallpaper app. It gives you quality wallpapers in 4K. Also it is having different categories of different wallpaper. They add wallpaper every day as per I have seen. Yes, I have seen that they are adding the wallpapers. So yeah, it's a great stuff and amazing wallpapers in good quality, and they are having different types of categories like minimalist and all that stuff. Amazing app, cool wallpapers, go for it. Link in description. So the fourth app in our list is Muviz. So this app is very interesting and very cool app. So in this app what you can do is, whenever you play the music, it catches the beats and it will give you a visualizer. You need to think where you have to keep it. It will give you two options to keep it on your bottom of the screen or the top of the screen. I'll prefer the bottom. It will give you the visualizer which you can add it, make your own, fully customize it, change the shapes, or you can select from their gallery. It is an interesting app, you should go for it. It will look awesome on your phone. Whenever you play the music, you can show it to your friends. It will look so dope. I am using this, and you can also add this in video, and you can also select the apps in which you don't want this visualizer to come. Really great app, need to check it out. Link in description as always. Next app in our list is Adobe Photoshop Fix. So as the name suggests, it will fix the photos by removing unwanted stuff in the picture. The feature is called healing feature. You have seen in some other apps this feature you have seen, but in this app it will work properly, and tons of features are added in this app and you need to try it. It is a must try app. Link in description. It is by Adobe. You need to try it. That's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, I hope you like the video, then hit the like button. And if you're not a part of the Hightech, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so every time I post the video you will be notified each single time. So please hit the subscribe button. And after that, if you like to follow me on all my social media accounts, the link is in the description. I'm posting a lot of content on my social media, specifically on Instagram. As always, I'm always online on Instagram. So yes, just follow me there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I am signing off.